In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Slack on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the specific channel or direct message where you intend to share your video. Whether you're contributing to a lively public channel, a more focused private channel, or chatting directly with someone, this is where your video will live. Now that you have selected the right space, take a look at the message input box at the bottom of your Slack window. There, you'll notice a small plus icon. It looks like a little symbol with a plus sign. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This action will open up a pop-up menu giving you several options to choose from. In this menu, look for the option that says Upload from your computer. This option may be accompanied by a small icon of a paperclip. Click on that and it will let you browse through your computer's folders. Here's where you'll find the video you want to upload. Take a moment to locate the video file you have in mind. It might take a little time to sift through your folders, so be patient. Once you find the video that you wish to share, simply click on it to select it and then hit the Open button. This action will start the uploading process. Give it a moment. As Slack processes your video, you should see a preview of your video appearing in the chat. Depending on the size and format of your video, it might take a little longer to show up. This is completely normal. While you wait, you can also think about adding some context to your video. In the text box where you can type your messages, feel free to write a brief description or a note explaining what the video is about. This is particularly helpful for your team members, as it helps them understand what they'll be looking at once your video plays. It's always nice to frame your content, right? Once you've added any optional message you'd like to include, take a second to review everything. Make sure the video preview looks good and that your message communicates what you intended. When you're satisfied with it all, simply hit that send button. And there you have it. Your video should now be uploaded and viewable in the channel or conversation you've chosen. It's a straightforward process, but just remember that adding context is the key to effective communication, especially in a platform as dynamic as Slack. So that's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded a video in Slack. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching,